Welcome to another episode of The Inbound Closer. My name is Shane and I'm your host today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some attributes that you need to have when you're trying to become an inbound closer. And these are the things that I've picked up on over the past 10, 11 months of my journey, basically being on this journey of becoming an inbound closer. A couple of the attributes that you need is your business acumen has to be top notch. You have to know about business KPIs, obviously. You have to know how to talk to decision makers, all that kind of stuff. So really you can basically divide it up into a couple of segments. The first one is you have to be comfortable talking to strangers on the phone. You have to be comfortable cold calling. So what tends to happen is when you're in the pursuit of becoming an inbound closer, you think of leads being handed to you on a platter, and it's just a slam dunk because somebody gave you their email, somebody gave you their phone number, and they showed interest. In reality, if you haven't followed up with that business in 2 or 3 days, chances are they're not going to remember you. If you haven't followed up with that business in a month, they probably have no idea who you are. Same thing if even if they've handed in a proposal and said, yes, you know what, everything that you have said makes sense, I just need time to think about it, give me a month. Chances are they're not going to remember who you are. So those are things to consider when you are becoming an inbound closer. You have to be good at cold calling because that's what happens after a while. Imagine calling someone after 2 years of being interested in your business. They're not going to remember you. Chances are you may not be with that organization anymore, or the person that they talk to is no longer there. Maybe it's a new management, or who knows what it is. 2 years, a lot of things change. Like, look at us, like with the pandemic. This world has changed almost overnight. So if you're following up with businesses that haven't been contacted in, let's just say for the sake of argument, 3 months or more, it's almost like it's a cold call again, because I promise you they're not going to remember anything about your business. So you have to be good at cold calls. You have to be good at follow-up. You have to be a deadly sniper, if you will, at follow-up. You have to be able to consistently follow up with people. And now, because of my past experience in the past few weeks with Sales Sniper and an account that I had, you have to regroup and you have to reposition yourself and you have to learn a few more skills. And I realized that when I was focusing on inbound closing only, I forgot about the whole aspect of cold calling. I completely just ignored it because I thought in my head that cold calling was dead, and it's not dead. In fact, you should be practicing cold calling every week. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be continually harnessing my skills by reaching out to complete strangers, because I promise you on the inside you will have to do that. You'll have to be comfortable at cold calling and following up, and chances are you may not know very much about the business that you're working with, so it doesn't matter if they know about the business that you work for. They don't know you, so it's like a cold call anyway. So that's why I say you gotta be good at that. So I hope this helps. Hope this helps one person out there to actually harness their skills Because I'm telling you, cold calling is not dead. If anything, that's what I've learned in the past 2-3 weeks. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.